Alright, so this is part 2 of the video, bird poop. In the first one you saw the car, how dirty it was, poop everywhere. The message is to give thanks in all things. Cleaned it up, not too bad. It's pretty cold early this morning. But bird poop is gone. Just like that. Little water, little praise, and of course paper towels. Alright, so I'm feeling like singing, so I'm going to sing this little song. I've got a river of life flowing out of me. It makes the lame to walk and the blind to see. It opens prison doors, sets the captives free. I've got a river of life flowing out of me. Spring up a well up in my soul. Spring up a well and make me whole. Spring up a well and give to me that life abundantly. And there you have it. Praise, a clean car, and God is right where he's always been, on the throne, full of benevolence, full of love, full of compassion, full of mercy, full of grace to all those who would trust in the sacrifice that he gave to the world. Jesus, the Christ. Peace out. This is Yolanda with the Practicality and Sensibility broadcast, saying don't get stuck on stupid. Don't get stuck on the small things. Take the high road. Take the high road today. You're going to be challenged, but do indeed take the high road. Take the high road. And you're probably saying, why does she keep flashing on that building? Because I think it's a wonderful building. I had pulled over to in a parking lot so I could get the bird poop off. And I just praise God. I love the whole steeple effect and the architecture. But God is wonderful, and he's worthy to be praised. He's done so much for us. I posted last night on Facebook, you have to be out your cotton picking mind if you think I'm going to turn off God. Turn off from God when he has airlifted me so many times. He has airlifted me so many times and brought stability to my mind. More than I can recount. He is worthy. Folks, have a great day. Go with God and live your best life.